Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Miss Fatma here. Welcome to the first session for Social Studies for Grade 4 from session 2020 till 2021. So today we are going to study the first unit, which is Unit 1, Geography, and the lesson number 1 is the Earth in Space. First of all, we should study the word geography, that what does it mean. The word geography is actually made up of two words. The first part is geo and the second part is graphy. The word geo means earth and graphy means study. So it means that the study of earth is called geography. It means that whatever we are studying about earth, its landforms and its shape, its rotation or revolution, it all is included in the subject geography. Now, focusing on the chapter name, which is the Earth in Space, it means that we are going to study in this chapter about what it's like from the space to Earth. The question is that what is Earth? So let me define the shape of Earth to you, that the shape of Earth is a sphere and it is like a huge ball, but it is flat from the top and bottom. On the top it is the North Pole and on the bottom it is the South Pole. The people in the past thought that Earth was flat like a plate, but later on they realized that it was huge as a sphere. Now you should know some important terms about your chapter. The first term is astronauts. It means the people who go in space in spaceships for their research work of space. They are called astronauts. The second term is space probes. Space probes are the machines which are sent into the space along with the astronauts or along with the rockets. Number 3 is satellite. Satellite is an example of a space probe and it is a machine sent into the space to send and receive the signals for radio and television. The next terms are orbit, which is the path of Earth around the Sun. The second term is axis. It is the imaginary line running from north to south on Earth. Another term is equator. It is another imaginary line running all the way around from east to west on the Earth. The last term is hemisphere. As you all know that half of circle is semicircle, just like that half of a sphere is called hemisphere. The upper half of the Earth is called northern hemisphere because it is in the north direction, and the lower hemisphere is called the southern hemisphere. The axis runs from North Pole to South Pole and the equator runs from east to west. Now, as you can see that there are two kinds of directions, the cardinal directions and the intermediate directions. The cardinal directions are the basic directions which are north, south, east and west, whereas the intermediate directions are found between the cardinal directions. For example, the direction between north and east is called northeast, the direction between south and east is called southeast, the direction between south and west is called southwest, and the direction between north and west is called northwest.